Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about the topic water and surface tension. We all know that water is a precious natural resource. Water is essential not only for sustaining life but also for agriculture, industry, energy production and transportation. We use water for different purposes in day-to-day life. Water is a substance found in nature in all the three states of matter, namely solid, liquid, and gas. You are familiar with some of the characteristics of water. They are discussed here briefly. Boiling point of water. The temperature at which a liquid boils at atmospheric pressure is called its boiling point. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Next, heat capacity of water. Water has the ability to hold more heat when compared to other substances. The following are some of the situations which make use of the high heat capacity of water. First one, in radiators to regulate heat in automobile engines. Second, water is used to cool hot objects. Third one, two-thirds of the earth is water. This regulates the temperature of the earth. Next, freezing point of water. Freezing point of a liquid is the temperature at which it freezes to solid at normal atmospheric pressure. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. When water is converted to ice, its volume increases and hence its density decreases. Now we are going to discuss about another characteristic of all liquids. It is surface tension. Have you seen certain insects moving on the surface of water? Have you ever thought how it is possible? Okay, now we are going to do an experiment. We have taken water in a vessel and then carefully places a blade on the surface. What do you observe? Yes, it can be seen that the blade does not sink, right? What could be the reason? To know about this, we have to understand the attraction of water molecules. You know that molecules of a liquid attract each other. Look at this picture. Here, the number of molecules in vapor form just above the surface of water is less than those on the surface. Hence, the attraction towards the sides and the interior will be greater. Consequently, the liquid surface behaves like a structured membrane. This behavior causes surface tension. Surface tension. It is the tension of the surface film of a liquid caused by the attraction of the particles in the surface layer by the bulk of the liquid, which tends to minimize the surface area. Small insects can move randomly on the surface of water. Blade floats on water. All these are because of surface tension. Surface tension acts in such a way that so as to reduce the surface area of a liquid. For a definite mass of a substance, surface area is minimum for spherical shape. That is why liquid droplets assume spherical shape. Now, let me show another experiment. Here, we are taking water and alcohol in two different bowls. Now, that's water and this is alcohol. Now, I am going to place a blade on the surface of water. What did you observe? Yes, the blade didn't sink. Now, we are repeating the same procedure in ethanol, that is the alcohol. Why did the blade sink? It is because the surface tension of ethanol is not as strong as that of water to stand the blade. Now, I am going to add some alcohol drops in water to see what happens. Yes, the blade sinks because the surface tension is reduced. You can do the same experiment replacing alcohol with soap water. Hence, we reach the conclusion that soap water or alcohol can reduce surface tension of water.